Cloud9 Flusha. Is he still nuts? Oh, I see this. I think this. Yeah, this was insane. It's the same clip. The last shot was enough. This one, I think.
He's cheating. Guys, really hacking.
Flusha's one of my favorites, dude. What the hell is that?
Throwing flashbang.
Impressive.
Ooh.
Don't mind the sound, guys.
You guys
It's just
remember?
my aim lock.
You remember how crazy Flusha was? Dude, listen. Can we just say something? Type 1 in chat and comments if you think Flusha did actually cheat for a little bit, because there were some fucking clips, dude, that I swear to God, dude, I can't even explain them. Like I keep going. I think we talk about this like once every year, but he was the fishiest player by far in the pro scene. No, he's 100% still an insane player. I'm not taking away anything from his insane play. I just think there was a point in time where Flusha was literally insane. The hell?
Shoot them in the back. There's one to follow up and the triple kill, shutting down all of phase over and long.
My God, the first second.
Incredible.
Of course, Flusha, cheater.
No.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
What the hell?
Hello, motherfucker.
He fucking did that perfectly.
Complete the mission.
Champion, bro. You champion.
Наркобароны.
Oh, not only does he spot him.
Oh my God.
Thank you very much. Oh, wow, no way. Look at Flusha, oh my God.
Is this against Fnatic? I mean, against FaZe?
Flusha!
It's fucking nuts. Who's this kid? Who's this kid, dude? Is that his crosshair there?
Gdzie on kurwa jest? No chodź tu, szmato jebana suko pierdolona. Wypierdalaj stąd! Wypierdalaj stąd!
How can you stop? How can you stop? Наркобарон.
I think, dude, listen, alright. We'll never know. We'll never know early on who cheated and who didn't, because there were rumors floating around that there was a lot of shady shit happening in the scene early on, before, like, right when when big money was first announced. Who knows? Maybe a lot of people cheated. I mean, wasn't there proof that the Virtus Pro guys like threw a game on purpose before? Or not? No, they didn't. No, this isn't true. They didn't throw a game on purpose. They played the game, and then they noticed that it was still up for bets. So they already knew they just played the game. So they bet on the game that they just played because it was the website made a mistake. But like, let's think about it. Like, a lot of these players. Well, the game changed too. Like, the game isn't the same. Like, even in 2015, 2016, 2017, I was better than I am now. Like, in 2015, 16, I was a lot better. So the game's definitely changed over time. What used to work then doesn't necessarily work now. The players that were nuts back then, Olaf was best player in the world back then. He's probably not even a top 20, top 30, top 40 player now.